Thank you for joining the Richard J. Daley College Library's video tutorial on Google Tips and Tricks. Following this tutorial, you will be able to use the tabs in Google. You will be able to access fewer, more specific results by using multiple search terms, and you will be able to filter results by website, file type, and date of publication. Google can be a great place to search for information. It can also be overwhelming with the amount of information out there. Let's look at some ways that we can use Google efficiently and effectively to find the right amount of information for our specific needs. Let's start by entering the keyword climate change into the search bar. When we hit enter, we will see there are millions of results. We can filter these results by looking at news, images, videos, books, and more in the tabs below the search bar. If we click on videos, we will see there are far fewer results, and we are now only looking at videos about climate change. To further refine our search, we can add another search term. Maybe we're interested in climate change and Chicago, so we can add that second keyword, Chicago. Again, we will see the amount of results decrease, and now we have a very specific list of results with only results about Chicago and climate change. Now that we've learned how to narrow our search by adding a second search term, we can continue to refine our results by searching by different types of websites. We can type site:/.gov.org. How about we start with .edu? Now we're looking at only results that are educational results about climate change in Chicago. We can go one step further by looking at a specific educational website. If we want to add ccc.edu after site, now we're only looking at climate change in the ccc.edu websites. Maybe we're interested in a specific file type rather than a type of website. We can search for Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoints, or PDFs, for example, if we type file type: and then the abbreviation for the file. Let's look for a PDF. Finally, we can still filter by date of publication. We can click on Tools under the right-hand side of the search bar. A time drop-down pops up under the left-hand side of the search bar. If we're looking for something that was published recently, we can click on Past Hour. This is a way to filter and narrow our results based on a specific set of research parameters. By now you should be able to use Google more efficiently and effectively. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your Daley College librarians. We are always here to help.